damn it. Fuck. Come on. Jamaica bus Jamaica Center here. Something doesn't sound right with that engine. Bus number 1823 with the latch it up here. I'm on my cell phone camera. Look at the MTA's new buses here. Ooh. Let me pull over to the other side. Don't go yet, buddy. Don't go yet. Don't go yet. Wow. You can definitely hear it. Oh. See that one? I don't know, but that one definitely looks like it's having an issue or something. On the right, you can't really see it though.